Are you wanting to know how to make your audience feel they are a part of something bigger? The idea behind this strategy is to ask your tribe for an answer, whether you know it or not. Start with how this process will be carried out. Make sure it aligns with your audience. Stay away from questions related to politics, religion, and offensive topics. Don't worry whether you know the answer or not. You're inviting your audience to tell their opinion or preference and to have a conversation around the question you asked. In this way, you and your audience can learn about each other. You are providing a safe place for your audience to find others who are passionate about the question. Details on how to get more info like this are on my profile.